Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Live po tayo ngayon from Malacca with Love. Introducing again the Raja Muhammad Gamar Mamay Hassan Abdul Rajak, Sharifah Sultan Gamar bin Abdul Ghaffar, Jamalul Kiram III, the grandson of Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Hajj, the first king and last king of Southeast Asia, and the first prime minister of Malaysia, also known as Hussein Kamaluddin of Brunei, also known as Raja Hussein Kamaluddin of Maimbung Sulu, also known as Raja Kamaruddin of Indonesia. The Garuda, the eagle behind, is the symbol of who is the authority of all the heritage asset, which is now consolidated in the Imperial Sovereign Bank in Bud Datu in Holo, Sulu. Congratulations, Raja Mamay. This is your privilege. Happy birthday on June 14, 2025. Last year, we were able to install you as the head, the commanding-in-chief of the NATO, North Borneo Alliance Tausug organization. Go ahead.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim.
Lakas.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma shalli wa sallim ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi washabihi wa barik wa sallim. Astaghfirullah al-azim min kulli jambin aim. Astaghfirullah il-azim min kulli jambin aim. Astaghfirullah ul-azim min kulli jambin aim. Illa la ilaha illa wal hayyul qayyum wa atubu ilaihi illa jamil halki mimmatal yaqupur bal iman wal islam wala haula wala quwata illa billahi al-azim. Good afternoon to all the leaders of the world, of the Commonwealth country. Now I appear again as the Sultan of Sulu and the Commanding-in-Chief of NATO. In my advice to all the country, Commonwealth country of the world, there is a book of world record. There are two books of world record. One is Pentagon File, Volume 1-A. That is Pentagon File. And the other one is Volume 1-B. That is Buckingham File. All the treaty and agreement are recorded, especially the Carpenter. It was in March 22, 1915 to 2015 that the American government, especially the present president now, must have to recognize and let out the real Sultan of Sulu and North Borneo. We could have all the poor country in the world, in the entire world, and we are going to open all the asset, the sovereign loan asset. Just imagine that Spain has trade in Vatican for 300 years. First trading for 300 years, that the Spain will control the entire world for the peace and order. But they will not obey the rule of law of the family, Rule 36. They will abuse of power. It was in 15th century. Before it was ended, they were registered the Mapa de Pilipina Titulo de Jolo. That is on 1st November 1881, signed by John Paul II. That the Mapa de Filipina Titulo de Jolo, how long is the kilometers? That is 99 million miles long and 69 million square kilometers wide. The boundary is Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. That's why there is NATO, National Organization, National Atlantic Treaty Organization, established in 1949. So before that ended the 300 years, by 2002, that is the officially ended. Signed by John Paul II also, but it was extended by another 50 years, that is Mapilindo. AP63 in Malaysia, Mapilindo in the Philippines. Before that, there is another last Treaty of Paris, which is the G5, the Government 5. All it is recorded in the Buckingham, Volume 1-B. The G5, that is the Government 5. Government of Lupasugin 5, Government of England, Government of Germany, Government of Italy, Government of France. So how imagine the G5 control the entire Commonwealth country. It was led by Queen Elizabeth II. Queen Elizabeth II as an associate director of Mapilindo. Is an associate director of Mapilindo, and also the Cavite 300. The Cavite 300, that the source is Bengal Public Consultation, that is East Indies in 1962. They will made it into the Cavite 300 and become Triple A used by the Malaysian government and Triple 7 used by the Philippine government, that will put it in Alpha Omega, under Alpha Omega. So this all treaty and agreement we must have to open now, and my advice to Donald Trump for his second term, I know from his first term, he opened a 3 big project in Sulu. One in Luok Airport, International Airport in Luok, and one in Seaport in Sulu, and the other one is Sovereign Bank. The Sovereign Bank is now ready to rise and to open for all the country shall be given a beneficiary for project, for livelihood program. Now, Donald Trump, it is the time for you to let the truth. Let us recognize the real Sultan of Sulu, which is Duliang Mahamulya Raja, King Muhammad Gamal Mama Yasar Abdul Razak Sharif Sultan Gamal bin Abdul Ghaffar, Sultan of Sulu and Commanding-in-Chief of NATO, Sulu, North Borneo, Mindanao, Visayas, Luzon, Southeast Asia. And the G7, it was called Judge Pihaw. Judge Pihaw, Philippine Island, Holo, America Organization in Physical and Spiritual, Philippine Island, Holo, Alpha Omega. That is the real one. That is the G7, is the 66 plus 1 Commonwealth country and Commonwealth President, Lord HRH Ferdinand Idalin Marcos Sr. Aka Aram is the president of the Commonwealth country, Republic of the Philippine Island, and also the Lupasug Empire Prime Minister, Dr. Muhammad Muksan Abdurajan is the Lupasug Prime Minister. That's why this is now the time that we will be together, that the two countries, Malaysia and Philippines, are intermarriage. I need the President of the America, United States of America, that on June 14, 2025, let me out and I can help the America for to recover what will happen to California, what will happen to other states of America. And also my advice to the black man, to the black leaders, South Africa. You should not be separated with the white, because during the time of late Abraham Lincoln, the president of the United States of America, it was the black. That's why the America was given independent on July 4, 1776. Because before the flag of America, the star is ring. When Abraham Lincoln became the president, the black president of America, they will make the Constitution by the government of the people, by the people, for the people, and to the people. That's why they have two party, Democrat and Republican. That's why the Republican and Democrat, actually, they will follow the rules in every term. But when the father and son assume as the president, George Bush Sr. and George Bush Jr., they will destroy the democracy of America. Same thing, the Mapilindo, also destroyed. Now that is now the time that the government of Brunei Darussalam, as designed in 2006 as the year necessary by my uncle Malaysia Pudin III, as the managing director and cooperating partner of Mapilindo, you also let the true Sultan of Sulu let out, and you don't have also an authority to install the young Dipertuan Agong of Malaysia, because the 50 years is already over. I know in 2016, the former Chief Minister of Sabah, Musa Aman, and former Prime Minister of Malaysia lead to go to England with the 12th grandson, present to Queen of England, to Elizabeth II, in 2016. But among the 12, they are not all qualified. But the Queen is still look for the real one, which is I am, Raja Mamay. That's by 2017, I was in Kuala Lumpur, Bukit Bintang. So the two journalists, husband and wife, bring me to see Tun Dr. Mahathir, but I did not accept it. I did not agree, because I still waiting for the Queen to arrive to Kuala Lumpur. Since I did not agree to them, they will bring my own brother and talk my name, Gamal bin Abdul Ghaffar. That's why the reality, I was being killed by my own brother in 2006.
In documents.
They will talk my identity with affidavit, but the one who died is the real Katua Kampung, head of Kampung, Katua Kampung, Abdul Kalim, Aru Kalim, Palim, it's called Palim. He was the one who died.
2006?
2006. So in 2002, Dr. Mahathir went to Brunei to see the Sultan Brunei. Upon he returned from KL, they will let the immigration to give IMM 13 in 2002. That is under my name, Gamal bin Abdul Ghaffar. So my advice to the immigration and Putrajaya, especially the government of Badani and Police Diraja Malaysia, I am the grandson. That's why I let the United Nations identity for those who are wanted to get as the royal family, because during the Berjaya, there is a lot given by the United Nations in every state of Sabah. One, barter trade, Filipino barter trade, the lot is United Nations. And Talipok, Labuan, Tawau, every refugees has given the United Nations territory, because during the time of martial law, Tunku Abdurrahman Putra advised the Prime Minister Tun Rajak and Dato Mustafa Harun to rescue all the refugees in the southern Philippines, especially in Sulu. during the time of martial law in 1974. That why so many refugees come into Sabah and given them special pass, work pass. When the government of Berjaya ruled, they will give it automatic to become a citizen of Malaysia because due to the Chapter 16 interpretation of native. Before, that Sabah is a country. That's why two parties, Party Osno and Party Berjaya. It was renamed by that Mustafa into Negri, into state, because of that Chapter 16 that contain interpretation of native. Kapada makama anak negeri Sabah. Sa siapa orang-orang dari Kepulauan Indonesia dan Pilipinas Selatan berhak menuntut selaku 5 tahun. Sakiranya tiada kesalahan. Sakiranya tiada kesalahan. That's why I need to return back the IMM-13 to give to my people. For those who don't have document, only the document case. Sambilan Raja-Raja Malayu. I am the grandson is to request that the IMM-13 to be put back in Sabah for those Filipino Muslim don't have any identity temporarily. Once the solo will be operating as the new nation and the new country, that is the time for them to return back to the source of origin. Because I will not let them stay forever in Sabah, but I let them to return back and to give houses. That's why I gave them a United Nations identity, because we are going to open the sovereign bank, Lupasog International. Our sovereign bank is already is ready to open at any time, only waiting for the Apu Lakay, the president of the Commonwealth, Philippine Island, to return back, to get back the present government from BBM and shut down everything.
Raja, there are a lot of people asking, how did you become a Kiram? Because Kiram is the most controversial in the claim of Sabah and in the claim of the heritage and cash deposit in all the prime banks. Can you tell us further, you as being Jamalul Kiram III, by law of succession, by law of heredity, by law of being the grandson?
Actually, when Sultan Jamalul Kiram II, as the Sultan of Sulu in North Borneo,
Who is Jamalul Kiram II to you?
it's my uncle,
How?
because at that time he has an advisor. His advisor from Indonesia tuli come to Sulu.
He is your uncle. So therefore, your being an uncle, is she the brother of your mother or the brother of your father?
That is from the father side, the brother of my father.
That's it.
The father of my father, there are 7 brothers and sisters. The eldest one is Fatima Tujuria, married to Aminullah Sangkula. That's why they are involved in the 9 claimants, the Sangkula, because of my auntie, married to Aminullah Sangkula. That Kiram, actually the Kiram second, Jamalul Kiram second in Maimbong, Umalali Saifuddin second in Brunei, just one person.
Is that the father of Raja Saleha?
Yeah,
The first wife of
the first
Sultan
wife,
Hassanal?
that's right, the first wife of Hasan Haji Hasanar. Because the one is from India, Putri Balbai. There are one son and daughter.
Okay. So, I am just trying to let the people be educated.
Yeah.
You said Jamalul Kiram II is Pa Sahibul Gari
Yeah.
Abdurrazzaq of Maimbong Sulu.
Yeah.
And Sahibul Ray Permancha of Brunei.
Umalali Saifuddin second.
More Omar Ali Saifuddin II. So that is the father,
Of the first wife of Brunei, Jaliha.
Raja Saleha. Okay. Who is the father of Raja Saleha, Jamalul Kiram II, Ray Permancha?
Umalali Saifuddin second. The father.
Omar Ali Saifuddin I.
Second. The first is his father. The first, Umalali Saifuddin the first is the father, which is Tunku Abdurrahman Putra Al-Haj.
Yes.
And the second is the son. That's why old title, not they are given the real name.
The real title is Kiram. That is not a name, correct?
Yeah.
Because people claiming to be Kiram, they thought that is the family name. That is only a
The
title.
Quran is only a code. That is a religion. That is a Quran. Quran Nul Karim is a woman and turned into man. That is Kiram.
What I am trying to emphasize right now is your link to the Sultan of Brunei and the Sultan of Indonesia and the Sultan of Sulu, which is Husin Kamaluddin.
There are only one Sultan of Sulu that control the whole Southeast Asia. Tunku Abdurrahman secret. He can become 7 pieces, 7 image. Huh? He can change his face into 7 image. That's why he has a 3 color. White color in Sulu, which is Muhammad Kamaluddin, Raja Muhammad Kamaluddin. Red color in Brunei, which is Husin Kamaluddin. Black color in Indonesia, Bulungan, which is Muhammad Kamaluddin.
Okay, that you are
The secret of Tunku Abdurrahman is the 7 Makdum. He is the real 7 Makdum as Aulia Tuan Mahadum. And he is the one who organized the religion of Islam. The founder of Islam is Tunku Abdurrahman Putra Al-Haj.
whose father is?
Yeah, my father. The father of my father.
Okay. Now, because the Malaysia cannot accept that you are not related to Tunku Abdurrahman. So can you enlighten me and the listener and the people of the world why you are the secret as the heir of the king of Southeast Asia from direct to Tunku Abdurrahman Putra Al-Haj?
Tunku Abdurrahman Putra Al-Haj. They come to me to see me. 24 September 2004. Imagine, 24 September 2004. After morning prayers. Remember, there is a statue in Sabah. Tunku Abdurrahman. They come and see me after morning prayers. They ask me to refer, to tell from which side of my father and from which side of my mother. When I tell him from my father is him and from my mother is Muhammad Salih, they are crying and hug me. And they gave me money, 50 ringgit. That's why I know. They said, I am the Chris, you are my Kuber.
Okay.
Yeah.
Therefore, Raja, Tunku confirmed you spiritually, physically, through that because he is an awliya.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I am trying to emphasize why the world is seeking for the true Sultan of Sulu. Because in the past, during the 1200, 1300, up to the 1600, the Sultan of Sulu is also the Sultan of Indonesia, of Sumatra, of the entire Southeast Asia. That's why I am trying to clear out that the throne of the king of Southeast Asia, direct from Tunku Abdurrahman, is your secret. And you are the remaining secret of the blood of the children of Tunku Abdurrahman in Parang Sulu.
Lungang gitong.
Lungan Gitong Parang Sulu. Now, because as we know, we family, we are holding the secret. So they don't want to touch on this. But being the queen, I'd like to emphasize that the elders, the grandfathers, really have programmed all these things. Now, you have two sides of the validity of the importance, because you are a kiram from the father's side and an alam on the mother's side. Si Jamalul Alam, Raja Anang Haji Hasan Pasang, Jamalul Alam is the Sultan from Indanan, Sulu. There is a law of succession to that also. That's why we are trying to establish now your importance, why you got the succession as Jamalul Kiram the third. Because the link is even from Jamalul Anam, who signed the deed of 1878. Because the claim here of the 14.9 billion US dollar, which was awarded by Spain, you see, they are trying to claim it. But Amma Ali, as the living witness and now gone, has endorsed it to me that by you have to give to the grandson the 14.9 billion US dollars entitled for the Sultan Sulu. Remember that. Now, Ama Ali is Dato Ismail Mun Ali, Sultan Turun Lawan Dumaga, Sultan Muhammad Ismail Ikiram. So, I'm trying to link the three major sultans that really work hard in this light. And we know that the Sultan of Sulu, all of them, their attorney, in fact, their attorney, global lawyer, is Judge Pihaw, no other than Ferdinand Idralin Marcos Sr. So this is your fight now. This is your strength now. This is what you are now, that you can tell to the whole world, hey, I am here. You do not need to ask them. There is a difference between permission, asking, by ordering. As a king, it is your time to order. As I told you, I just need your valid request that you need this, you need that, because as a queen, it is my virtue of power and authority to grant as my direct succession, as validated, as confirmed, as authorized. So this is the thing now, King Mamay. You are the grandson, as we have installed you last February 9, 2025, in Sulu, in Hulo. And we have our own headquarters in Sulu, which hold now the communications of the recovery of the order given to the World Bank, given to the Bank International Settlement, given to the International Monetary Fund, given to the ICJ, given to all major agencies, and informed in all the embassies of the Philippines, foreign embassies in the Philippines, and all the major agencies all over the globe. That is your validity. That is your power. And this is now the time that I wanted the whole world to know that you exist, that by DNA, you are the grandson. So they cannot take away from that. So this is not now a moment of asking, of letting them see. You as the head of the NATO, of our North Borneo Alliance Tausug organization, because the NATO of the West is already being ordered by the president. This is now the time that they could see the pattern of implementation of the real power and authority of the Lupasug Empire. Now, you were saying a while ago that in all this, the stolen identity, the IMF 13, now you have the right to reinstate all of this. You have the right to tell them, hey, the United Nations is valid because it is documented, and we as the founder, our grandparents, our grandfathers handed it to us to fix, redirect, restructure all of this.
The government of Malaysia, especially Madani and the rulers, how they deny that I am not the true?
Precisely. This is the reason why I am very bold enough telling them that they have really deprived you of your right.
When I was kidnapped on December 1st, 2023 by my own brother waiting in Labuan, Palawan with the mayor of Batarasa.
That is the conspiracy. That's the greatest conspiracy, Raja.
And 2 times I go to the High Court. But they will release me without condition because I am the true grandson of Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj. Don't let them deny. And the late Agong, Yang Dipertuan Agong of Pahang, how many times going to Switzerland to get the funding? They cannot get because they will need the true sultans of Sulu and the rightful sultan of Sulu. And now the President Agong was going also to Switzerland. Same thing.
Okay.
That's why the Switzerland asked them to bring the real grandson.
It is the same thing when Queen Mama was alive. But because of the conspiracy, because they favored your brother. Now, I'd like to clear this out and let the people see. Raja, they said you are a fake. We are a fake. Why? They acknowledge your brother as you. So therefore, you are legit because they use your brother. They use your identity. So that is the mistake, that is the crime of conspiracy of Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, all of this country, and all the royalties involved.
In 2008, I was advised by the young spiritual. His name also Gamal Abu Bakar. In November 10, 11, they will only give me 2 days to pull out to Sabah, and they will let me to go back to Philippines, to my home place, Parang, which I was born. So 2 days only. I don't have any money. I don't have any where to get fund. With that 2 days, I cannot a request for the funding. So my brother, they said, if you will not go back to the Philippines, to the southern Philippines, to your place, the cover to you is higher than Mount Kinabalu. That is my own brother.
Because they are being powered by the Black Force. They can let the dead alive by using the black magic.
And all my friend helped me, especially there is my friend working in the government, fisheries, Nilayan, also in the officers in Kapayan helped me that I get the 10,000 ringgit, and then I proceed to go back to Sulu. To go back
That
to
is
Sulu.
the gift, that is
Yeah,
the
in
greatest
2008.
advice of the nene. When we say nene,
Advice of the spiritual grandfather. When I am in Sulu, I directly to see my cousin, which is the board member of the governor of Sulu, board member of Sulu, governor, Akok, Utu Akok Sangkula. He said, we have to inform the mayor. That's why we informed the mayor Husin Utu Talong. So, Ismail Kiram announced in the station, call all the people of Sulu that the grandson already returned back to Sulu. Yeah, this is already they announced in the station that the grandson already in Sulu.
okay, mahal na Hari, Raja, they knew. Okay, I'm trying to let you see. They knew that you are the grandson. They knew that you are the real sultan. However, the contest, they disputed because your brother filled in. But your brother didn't know in the past the secret. They came to know only after you sent him to Brunei. And Brunei and him conspired. That's true. Now, when they knew already, so the government of Sulu, through the mayor, became even the head of the BARM of the Bangsamoro Basic Law of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority. So right from the start, there is already the knowledge that you are the true Sultan Sulu. Yet they insisted, they persisted, they fought, they put it into law, the BARM, that the true Sultan is your brother. In fact, he is the Apo Apa Hornido that they have used to claim the funds. So this is where we are going to put justice. Because I have all the I have all the validity, I have all the records, I have all the documents proving that they used your brother, even siding with the Abu Sayyaf, with the MNLF, that led to the Sabah standoff, Sambuanga standoff, 44 Sapmen sacrifice, and that is the involvement of Vatican by letting the Vatican go to Samar Leyte for them to have another stage of conspiracy and putting us into trouble. So they had been doing using the Sultan Sulu, using people to play the role of the Sultan of Sulu. And this is now the implementation of divine justice. Because what all of those people, those dayang-dayang who played the role with the kapatiran ng espiritual, with all of these lawyers, that if you and your brother unite, nothing to worry. But I really thank you. Why did you not do it? Despite of all their insinuation, their wishing, their all this, why did you not join your brother? Why?
If I join my brother to support him, stir the darkness to control the whole world. He is from the dark and I am from the white. That's why I will not support him.
So now, with this current situation, that they are utilizing that point, what can you say?
In 2008, I meet Chairman Mishwari. I meet Chairman Mishwari in Talon-Talon. That there is 9 key sent by Queen of England in Central Bank, Zamboanga City. The long lost grandson is the right person.
9 billion US dollar.
9 billion. So, many claimants to get that money because they said, you are not the true one. The true one is in Malaysia, not yet arrived here.
Okay.
So, when I meet the Chairman Bishwari, they advised me. They go first to Brunei. Upon they arrived, they were going to see me. And I told Chairman Mishwari, if you support my brother, you cannot get what you want. But if you support me, you can get what you want. You can rule together with me. But upon he returned from Brunei, they will not look at me anymore.
They have changed their
They
mind.
have changed his mind. Until he died. Huh? Mishwari already died last January 13,
Okay,
2015.
I have to tell you, Raja, even they persist that this is Miswari. Once we have to put justice and once in court, they will be
And
put into DNA. We will do everything to prove that they are doing the conspiracy by letting them alive.
when we are in Sarawak, no, 2014, upon we dropped the claim on March 14, 2014, we proceed to Sarawak. Chairman Miswari will always call you to return back, to return us to the Sulu. This is they want to let out, they want to come out. That's why we proceed to Sulu in 2014. We made already my picture as the Sultan of Sulu, and he is the Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister Murad Ibrahim, and Chief of Staff Obrakato. 4 picture was sent to him in Indanan, Bukit Indanan. So, already checked by the Marine checkpoint, they did not arrest the picture until they reached to him.
The bearer of the
Yeah,
picture.
until he reached to him the picture, but they were not let out with his nephew, Ustad Jain and my brother. They will bring it to Tapol to hide from us. That's why we opened the Astana.
Okay.
What is Bayug?
Okay, Raja.
Bayug.
They are insisting that he is alive. How about your nephew who was killed in trying to silence him to prove that the real one is already dead?
They are not alive. How come they are alive? Huh?
I mean, your nephew that was killed.
Yeah, my nephew is taking care of him in Bukit Indanan together with my uncle. Yusuf Jikiri already told me, my uncle, Mishwari already died. And there was also an imam and also the
So
PNP.
basically, okay,
Huh?
Malari. So basically, these people that are harboring this fake Miswari will be liable. That is why I am telling you right now, whoever they are presenting to be alive will be put into litigation.
My nephew told me the stomach is collapsed. How could he alive? But only pretending is either Abdul Karim or Gamal.
Okay, now,
Gamal is married to the youngest daughter of Suharto, which is now also sick like his father.
so we are living in lie. All of these government officials, all of these people supporting the lie are operating in lies.
That's why since the senior is still alive through Ama Ali, my stand, my lineage is Ama Ali because he is the Sultan of Sabah in North Borneo.
The 33rd.
Yeah. How I know Ama Ali? Known to know when we meet in Manila in 2009, August 26, 2009, and then we were called to Amalay that I am your husband. That's why Ama Ali is the true Sultan of Sulu in North Borneo.
Ama Ali is manifesting now the divine power and authority that even his death he programmed. That yesterday, the young Ruby, the one there, already reported to me that Ama Ali keeps shouting, "Bye, bye." So I am confident that the divine government is implemented and we are doing the implementation because Ama Ali already give that power and authority to you as the grandson, to you as the sultan, to you Raja Mamay as the one that will carry his succession.
That's why since Ama Ali already passed away, may stand as the successor. Since they have a secret with Apulakay, is the real one, as Apulakay Senior is still alive. My advice, they should let out now, appear now, because all the tarpaulin throughout Mindanao and also in the OFW already appeared the tarpaulin. But the peoples in the peoples of the world, they want his appearance. So he can appear now to present as Juhan Kandao as the Muslim name.
As the eagle
Yeah,
that flies high,
yeah.
you and Apulakay will work it out.
Now,
Because the new Makkah is you and the new Jerusalem is Apo.
now I explain to you.
Join together.
I have to clean the name of Marcos Sr., the real Marcos Sr., Apulakay. Apulakay made a 7 duplicate Marcos. 7
Faces.
Yeah, 7 pieces duplicate Marcos. The first Marcos is his brother, that is Attorney Abran. Pacifico Marcos. And also number 7, he is also the one, number 7. Chinese name, Chua Tai Li, one person as number 1. And the number 2 is lawyer as doctor, number 2. And number 3 is a ship cook. Number 4 is a barbero. And number 5 is my uncle.
Who is that uncle?
He is the eldest son of Borkia, the father of Gloria and Putin.
So,
father.
now the conspiracy lies in again, Raja Mamay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to let out all the lies, all this moment that they have really hidden the truth for their own self-gratification and killing the true lineage.
And now number 6 is an actor, Luis Gonzalez, based in South Korea. That's why all the actresses, yeah,
All of this are part and parcel of the past.
yeah.
But as the queen, I have to fix this moral, spiritual, psychological, all of this into right path. That's why I am very strict when it comes to moral, spiritual of this mission of the divine implementation. Remember that laws can be drawn and laws can be repealed and laws can be amended, rectified. So this is now the time that we, as the chosen few of all the chosen people of God, of Allah, with Ama Ali, we must do something now. There are a lot of people trying to kill us because of the money. But at least I will ask you one more time, King. The secret is being unraveled because Malaysia, Indonesia, the Southeast Asia cannot gain their prosperity without going back to the roots, the source of origin. And Ama Ali protected that because of the twin sister, Princess Nazaria of Basilan, Putri Turun Lawan Dumaga, and it is there in the authority of appointment. Now, Ligwasan Mars is our remarkable point of reference throughout the world when it comes to the rule of law. That's why the young Sultan, Sultan Ahmad, informed me already that they will only follow you and me as promised by the father, Sultan Kayulawan, and the grandfather, Ama Pandala Pasandalan, who sacrificed his life in protecting me as they have agreed with Ama Ali. So this time, what can you say now that there are a lot of changes in the government? Are you going to honor the election, what they have done?
Actually, this election is only a black propaganda. no more, because they are cheating the machine.
It was only
It was only
a formality for them so
formality.
that they can continue ruling. But however, at least we know it is over. Okay, I give back to you how you will appeal to the world as the Sultan.
My appeal to the world, my wisdom is freedom of religion, speech and choice, but no one is above the law.
It's freedom of
That's why
speech.
my father-in-law, HRH Apulakay, my advice to you, you can let it out now. Lalabas ka na, mag-declare ka na,
Appeal.
appeal ka na as the President of the Commonwealth Republic of the Philippine Island.
And to the caretaker president,
And,
BBM,
And the BBM must step down and advise the AFP, Armed Forces of the Philippines, to proceed the senior to become a president, and the AFP were now the Royal Armed Forces of the Philippine Island. That is my wish on my birthday as a 63rd years old.
you're already 63,
There will
Raja.
be no AFP anymore. Automatically, Royal Armed Forces of the Philippine Island, Lupasug Empire. And all the 66 plus 1 country and other country support the absolute divine monarchy, and we can open all the heritage asset of God, of Allah, for the people, by the people, to the people. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow. Thank you very much, Raja King, Muhammad Gamar Mamay Hassan Abdul Rajak, Sharif Al Sultan Gamar bin Abdul Gapar, Jamalul Kiram III. Your enlightenment, your way of giving information dissemination, and this will be aired out soon because this is now live. Actually, I just have to click it. But one thing that I will guarantee, that the rule of law is being implemented, because there is no more chance for them to dictate the majority of the people of the Philippines, people of Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Brunei, and the entire world. The order has been given, and I know that they cannot refute, dispute, contest, because it has been put into document. The law of succession, the law of authority, ownership of the sovereignty is being handed by the King and Queen of the Royal Imperial Lupasug Islamic United Kingdom of Sulu in North Borneo. They can do whatever they want. They can make a lot of their way of doing it, but the question is, who are you? Only in this divine rule, only in this legal way, you can attain the movement, the government, the physical government, the divine government. Precisely, I had been away a while trying to investigate, infiltrate, see for myself, have my own way of putting justice. And justice is very harsh, very strict, because this is the mandate of the divinity. People will hate me, people will despise me, People will spend a lot of character assassinations, my morals put into the line, but I will always say I will always win because I have my Ama Ali, I have my Raja, I have my Ama Apulakay, I have all of you who are very supportive in putting this into reality, because the real standoff is the time when the shutdown is implemented, and to transform it into the new government, into the new heritage family. That means the new global currency is already given. Thank you very much. Thank you, all our people listening. And I know if you have questions, please do so and put it back. Now, for those haters, for those bashers, someone is already watching you. And this is one thing I could see and I could tell you, just be very careful, because your life will mean a lot and your family will be in trouble and your future will be in jeopardy. That is just a warning, because we know what we are doing. And for those who owed me because of the program, return the money so that it will be given to those who have given their share. Thank you very much. Masalam. Bye.